Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The iodoform test is positive for compounds that have the structural feature of a methyl ketone, CH3CO, ethanol, CH3CH2O, acetaldehyde, CH3CHO, or secondary alcohols of the type CH3CH, or as well as any compound that can be oxidized to these under the reaction conditions. Conditions for a positive iodoform test. 1. Methyl ketones, CH3COR. 2. Acetaldehyde, CH3CHO, ethanol. 3. Ethanol, CH3CH2O, oxidized to acetaldehyde by I2NOH. 4. Secondary alcohols with the CH3CH group, example, isopropyl alcohol, propanol 2. 5. Acetone, propanone, CH3COH3. Now evaluate each option. Option A. Methanol, ethanol, propanone. Methanol, CH3O, does not give iodoform test, no CH3CO or CH3CHO group. Ethanol, yes. Propanone, yes. Fails because methanol is negative. Option B. Ethanol, isopropanol, methanol. Isopropanol is equal to propanol or isopropyl aldehyde. Isopropanol is CH3. To CHO, it lacks the CH3CO group and is not ethanol, so it does not give iodoform test. Methanol, HCHO, formaldehyde, does not give iodoform test. Fails because isopropanol and methanol are negative. Option C. Ethanol, ethanol, isopropyl alcohol. Ethanol, CH3CH2O, yes, oxidized to ethanol under iodoform conditions. Ethanol, CH3CHO, yes, directly has CH3CHO structure. Isopropyl alcohol, CH3CH or CH3, propanol to yes has CH3CH or group oxidized to propanone, methyl ketone. All three give positive iodoform test. Option D. Propanol, propanol to propanone. Propanol, CH3CH2CHO does not give iodoform test, no CH3CO group. The carbonyl carbon does not have a methyl group on it in the alpha position in the right way. Propanol is CH3CH2CHO, not a methyl ketone or acetaldehyde. Propanol 2, yes. Propanone, yes. Fails because propanol is negative. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.